guys, so again guys, today we have a new pair of sneakers again guys. So again, we have the Air Jordan 1 Nike Hyper Royal, High OG Hyper Royal. So we will unbox, we will check, and I'll show you the details, and we will compare for the previous one, which is the University Blue. Yes guys, so we'll compare to the University Blue, and we will check the quality of these sneakers guys. So again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we upload regarding photography gears, videography gears, and my personal sneakers. So again guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's start unbox this Nike Jordan 1 High OG Hyper Royal. So again guys, this Hyper Royal released last April 17, 2021 with a retail price of $170 US. Exact name is the colorway Hyper Royal Light Smoke Gray White. So ayan, eto siya guys. Let's unbox now guys, but ayun, check muna natin ang ano niya, ang price niya as of today guys. As of today sa StockX, umabot siya na at least $420 US. Depends on your size guys. So again, I'm size 9 and this is size 9. Ito, size 9. So actually I don't have a plan to have this Hyper Royal because I have already the previous one, UNC. So ayan, sabi ko ba't ako kuha ng Hyper Royal? It's almost same, it's blue. So I don't think I will cop the Hyper Royal because of I have already the UNC blue. But it turns out guys, when I saw in person the sneakers, so ayan, magkaiba pala sila. It's totally different. So I asked my friend to have this one. Kaya ito, kumuha tayo guys. So unbox na natin guys. Ito siya. Ayan. So amoy-amoy talaga eh. Nasa box pa lang. Ito siya guys, ang ating Hyper Royal Retro High OG Hyper Royal. Ayan, with the smoke and gray. So ayan, shoutout nga pala kay sa tropa natin na nag-ano nito, si Jess Otnas. So may resibo pa talaga, legit guys, diba? May resibo pa yan, importante din, kasama yan sa footlocker. So ayan, sa footlocker niya kinuha to guys. So again, shoutout kay Jess Otnas, Pops. Maraming salamat sa ating pair. Dito ka. So eto siya guys, the Hyper Royal High OG Jordan 1. So again, it comes out already with the white lace na naka-attach sa kanya, and you have also your blue lace extra. Pero for me, I think I will go for this white lace instead for this blue. Is to ano lang, masyadong contrast na, but I like the color gray thing here. Yeah, again guys, the quality of the leather that they use of this, it's totally different compare for the UNC. And guys, ito yung UNC natin. So ayan, di ba? Magkaiba talaga siya guys. So I thought it's almost similar on the photos because it's blue, but actual guys, it's totally different from the leather quality that they use and the colorway. So ayan, dito para siyang suede na leather, ewan ko, parang siyang suede guys. So hindi siya this area. Ayan, di ba? So ito tambored leather, but sa Hyper Royal iba yung leather na ginamit niya. Again, it's like a suede type. So ang linis niyang tignan. So at ang angas din, no? Yung shoes niya is gray. Yun, similar ng hall natin. May gray tayo dito, isa kung mong gray ba yun, but again, yeah, ito siya guys. So sa tang, simula sa lahat, and also the Nike Air na color blue dito. Yan, sa insole guys, ayan, makita nyo, Nike Air. Tsaka lagi nyong titignan dito, gusto nyong ma-check talaga yung sneakers. Ayan, yung tahi nya, di ba? Tahi na, yung tahi. Alo, sobrang dikit na nito. Ayan, dito guys, may kita nyo, meron siyang ano dapat dito, wang. So, yung tahe, ayan, it's white. Ayan, makita nyo dito, puti. So, shoutout sa Family Kicks. Ayan. Sa tips niya, binibigay niya tungkol sa pag-check ng pet. Kaso wala tayo yung parang ano yung tawag doon. Parang laser na blue, black na tinatawag nila. But again guys, ang angas. So, ayan. So, totally magkaiba talaga sila ng style sa University Blue. So, if you have already University Blue and if you are thinking not to cop the High OG Hyper Royal, guys, is totally different. So, ayan. Pareho silang maangas. Guys. So, yeah, if you are a collector, you must have this Hyper Royal. So, ayan guys, ibiro lang natin. So, ayan nga, yung outsole niya dito is dito blue, sa kanya gray. So, ayan, smoke gray nga, tawag nila, diba? So, ayan, ibiro lang natin yung item guys. Check natin yung details ng product, ng sneakers. So, ayan, basta masabi ko lang guys, maganda talaga yung ano, hindi kayo magsisisi sa quality ng Hyper Royal. So, tingin ko tataas ang value nito eh. Tingin ko lang, hindi pa ako hindi tayo expert dyan eh. Pero mostly sa mga UNC type na colorway, medyo tumataas yung mga value nito eh. Pero yan, mas maganda talaga may ano ka nito. Ipagtabi ko na lang dito, di ba? Para maangas tignan. So, may paparting pa tayo sa University Blue, which is yung Jordan 4. So, abangan nyo yun guys. Yung Jordan 4 na yun, maangas din yan. So again guys, I think that's it for today. Ibiro na natin yung item. So ito, ibiro na natin in 1, 2, and... And again guys, so I think that's it for today. Again, the sneakers for today is this Jordan 1 High OG Hyper Royal. So again guys, napakaangas itong sneakers na to. So ayan, shoutout natin again. Shoutout ko si Jess Sotnas sa ating pair of the day, which is this Jordan 1 High OG Hyper Royal. At may kasama pang ano, itong cup natin, di ba? Astigo. Talagang may terno pa. So, yan. Maraming salamat ulit at shoutout Pops Jesot na sa ating snapback. Bakit tinawag na snapback ang ganito? Comment nyo lang guys kung bakit ang tawag nito snapback. So, yan si Palaboy, mahilig sa cup yun eh. Trip niya to eh. Sorry ka. Kasi magkaan talaga to terno, di ba? So, ayan. Ayun, shoutout ko ulit si Jesot na sa ating pair of the sneakers for today. Ito, ang angas niya talaga guys. Talagang hindi ka magkakamali pag di ka kumuha nito. Kasi talagang ano, iba siya sa ating UNC na J1. I think that's it for today. Again, flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shoutout to all the admin, the members ng Team Positive. At syempre, ang ating MCC Angels, mga ka-angels natin, kay Mama Cheng. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. And guys, Palaboy of W at si Brian Pundanar. So, again, maraming salamat and mabuhay.